we set out to design FieldAware, our goal was to build a true cloud application that replaces paper for field workers and makes them more productive. FieldAware for NetSuite offers value for the technicians in the field as well as management in the back office. And so let's start with the technicians and talk very quickly about FieldAware for NetSuite. It's a very clean mobile application without any bloat that only provides the information that field workers need, and only that information, so that they can quickly complete jobs, pre and post work signatures, take photographs on site, collect the final tally of parts used, finish the invoice, move that information back in the NetSuite as quickly as possible. Again, this is all in real time, moves through the cloud, through the Suite app, back into NetSuite, where management can then see KPIs being derived in real time from the completion of their jobs, the cost, the margins of various types of jobs. It's a continuum of information moving to the field from NetSuite and from the field back into NetSuite to really enable and extend the enterprise and make the technicians in the field as productive as they possibly can. One of the unique advantages and differentiators for FieldAware is that we have experience in 65 plus different verticals. We have joint customers with NetSuite that are in HVAC, that are in oil field service, that are in cell tower maintenance, that are in construction equipment. And working closely with NetSuite Professional Services and Consulting, we have the ability to really nail down what's the business process and success criteria for each individual customer. What do their quotes need to look like? What are the right business process flows? But even more so, every individual company is going to have its own unique success criteria. This is not a one-size-fits-all application. Right? We can work with NetSuite to really ensure the value of NetSuite is transferred to the field and makes the field work technicians as productive as they possibly can be. We want to help customers really transform their business and move to the next level, but without changing the fundamental business processes of the way they do business today. An example would be an information assurance company that's an existing NetSuite user who had a day sales outstanding of approximately 14 days. Well, we implemented FieldAware for the connectivity of the field to the back office, and by moving information and completed jobs into the back office in real time, we were able to reduce their day sales outstanding from 14 days down to 2 days. And regardless of the size of business that you have, the ability to take 2 weeks out of your cash recovery process makes you more competitive. It changes the way you do business, but without having to transform your fundamental business processes. Another example would be a NetSuite customer who was able to increase their cash flow by $1 million a year through increased utilization of their existing resources. So they were able to buy 5 new trucks and grow their business and add an additional $2.5 million in revenue. Again, without changing their fundamental business processes, they can really fundamentally transform their business by embracing the power of the cloud. This is really validation for us that we've been on the right track and we've been doing the right thing, because now when we added a Suite app to the capability of the web app and the mobile clients, we now have the ability to extend the enterprise for the major Silicon Valley cloud player in the ERP space. There can be no greater validation in the year 2015 than the accolade that we're receiving from NetSuite this year, and we thank the entire NetSuite organization for this opportunity and look forward to the further growth of this alliance.